Book of Mormon is real, legitimate, and we do have archaeology to back it up. It's all over North America, particularly in the East. Okay, parallels in the Book of Mormon. That's my big key word. We can't. You really can't prove it. I mean, I could hold up an artifact, and I know it's made from a Nephite, but I can't prove it, right? So we have to call them parallels. That's been my big thing all the way through. Parallel, parallel, parallel. And just to get us off, I want to remind you about our timeline, which is very important. The Hopewell, for me, are the key. If we take the Hopewell away, there is nobody that we can use to support the Book of Mormon archaeologically. There just is nobody. Nobody can match like these guys can match. And there we are. Of course, that's our timeline from the book. You can see how close it goes. And the best part about it all is, like I said, the non-Mormon archaeologists of the East, non-members of the church, they're the ones that have established this matching parallel. We didn't do that work. They did the work. It's all there. It's always been there.